parameter tuning in science refers to the process of optimizing the hyperparameters of a machine learning model to improve its performance. Hyperparameters are settings that are external to the model and cannot be learned from the data, such as learning rate, number of hidden layers, or regularization strength.
So there are several techniques for hyperparameter tuning, including grid search, random search, Bayesian optimization, and more recently automated techniques such as evolutionary algorithms and reinforcement learning. The goal is to find the combination of hyperparameters that results in the best performance of the model on a validation dataset without overfitting to the training data is crucial steps in the model development process to ensure that the model